Fat cutter drink, for extreme weight loss. Having the perfect figure and desired body weight is something most people strive for, however it is often very hard to achieve. People who enjoy eating have trouble reducing the food intake or sticking to an eating regimen in order to lose the excess pounds. If you have tried to lose weight, you probably know that most diets don't work and they often deprive your body from the healthy nutrients. However, we have prepared a weight loss drink that will help you burn the accumulated fat without harming your health. This recipe will also boost your metabolism to speed up the weight loss process, and it will also help you get rid of the harmful toxins. Many people around the world have tried this recipe and they've also said that the results are amazing. But, before we show you how to make the super healthy fat burning drink, we would like to say a few words about the ingredients. Fat cutter drink recipe. Well, you just need 4 simple ingredients: aloe vera, lemon, ginger and honey. These are the benefits of each ingredient. Aloe vera has numerous health benefits including promoting weight loss. It contains more than 75 vitamins and minerals as well as beneficial amino and fatty acids. It has strong antioxidant properties which increase the metabolic rate to help speed up the weight loss process. Another beneficial property of aloe vera is the ability to boost the digestion process and also remove the toxins. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. As a result, it breaks down the body fat and makes it available as a source of energy for the body. Ginger is also rich in vitamin C, as well as magnesium and other minerals which make it extremely beneficial for your overall health. It has a long history of being used for improving digestion and immunity, relieving pain and fighting cardiovascular diseases, asthma and many other health issues. Honey, it acts as a fat-burning ingredient and an instant energy source. It provides the sweetness in the drink. Ingredients: 1 glass of water, 2-3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon honey. Preparation: mix the glass of water with the aloe vera juice, then add the lemon juice and ginger powder. Stir and add the honey, then combine the ingredients well. You should drink this fat-burning drink early in the morning, on an empty stomach, immediately after you wake up.